Having a good barbecue meatloaf in your repertoire is essential, and our meatloaf cooked in a cast iron pan will have your friends and family coming back for more. And here's how it's done. So here's what you're going to need. 300 grams of good quality minced beef, 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic, a finely diced onion, 2 tablespoons of mustard powder, 2 tablespoons of mixed herbs, 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, an egg and some salt and pepper. Start off by putting your mince into a bowl and just spreading it out a little bit. Then add in your onion and garlic. Give that a good mix until it starts to spread evenly throughout the meat. Then add in your mixed herbs and your mustard powder and give that a mix until that spreads evenly. Then add in your Worcestershire sauce and a good glug of your favourite barbecue sauce. Then add in your breadcrumbs. Give that a good mix until everything becomes the same sort of texture. Things will probably start to get a bit messy at this point, but don't worry, that's half the fun. Once that's started to come together, add in your egg and mix that until it's all incorporated. Once your egg's combined, put in a liberal dose of salt and pepper and give that a mix for one last time. And now that's done, it's time to prep your pan. Start by adding a little bit of oil to the bottom of the pan. This doesn't need to be much. Then completely coat the pan using a brush. Don't forget to do the edges of the pan as well. And then add your meat mixture into the pan. Press the meat down into the pan until you've got a uniform layer all the way across. And once you're happy with that, it's time to light the grill. So for this recipe we set up for indirect cooking. That means you've got heat on one side and no heat on the other. Place your pan on the indirect side of the grill so there's no coals underneath it. Pop the cover back on and let that cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes your meatloaf should have started to take a little bit of colour. Flip the pan through 180 degrees and cook that for about another 15 minutes. So after a further 15 minutes, your meatloaf should look something like this. Add a layer of your favourite barbecue sauce to the top of the meatloaf with a brush, then pop the cover on and let that glaze for about another 5 minutes. And after that time's up, it's time to take the meatloaf off the grill and it's ready to serve. And there you have it, an easy to prepare and flavour packed meatloaf that everybody's going to enjoy. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a click on the like button, leave us a comment down below and subscribe for more great barbecue videos. Thanks for watching.